Welcome aboard, fellow aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a captivating aspect of flight that often goes unnoticed, the intricate world of aircraft lighting systems. Now, to the untrained eye, these lights may seem like a random series of flashing dots scattered across the sky. But in reality, they're part of a carefully choreographed dance that plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of every flight. So fasten your seatbelts as we illuminate the fascinating intricacies of these lighting systems. Let's start by uncovering the duality of aircraft lighting, interior and exterior. Interior lighting is all about creating a comfortable and functional environment inside the aircraft. It provides illumination for the cockpit, cabin, and cargo areas. Imagine a pilot navigating through the night sky. Those cockpit lights are essential for reading instruments and ensuring everything runs smoothly. And what about passengers? They enjoy reading lights and adjustable ambiance that can transform their flying experience into something cozy and inviting. Thanks to modern technology, many of these systems use energy-efficient light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, which not only last longer, but also allow for a range of lighting effects. It's all about making the journey more enjoyable while keeping the aircraft operational. Now, let's shift our focus to exterior lighting. This is where the magic of visibility comes into play. Have you ever noticed those red and green lights on the wingtips of an aircraft? Those are navigation lights, and they're crucial for identifying the aircraft's orientation in the sky. Together with a white tail light, they form the cornerstone of aircraft identification, especially during night flights and in low visibility conditions. They're like the aircraft's calling card, ensuring that everyone knows which way it's headed. But wait, there's more. Collision avoidance lights, which include rotating beacons and strobe lights, are designed to attract attention. These lights are essential during takeoff, landing, and taxiing, making sure that the aircraft stands out in the busy airspace and on the ground. It's a brilliant way to keep everyone safe and aware of each other's presence. As we venture further into the world of aircraft lighting, we find ourselves in the realm of advanced lighting systems. Modern aircraft come equipped with specialized lights that enhance safety and operational efficiency. Take landing lights, for example. These powerful forward-looking lights are crucial for illuminating the runway during takeoff and landing, especially when visibility is poor. And what about taxi lights? They help pilots navigate the tarmac with ease, ensuring that ground maneuvers are executed safely. Then we have wing inspection lights. These retractable lights under the wings are used during pre-flight inspections, allowing pilots to check for any issues before taking off. And let's not forget recognition lights, which are used by military aircraft for identification. Each of these lights plays a specific role in the grand ballet of aviation. Now, you might be wondering, with all this complexity, how do we ensure that aircraft lighting systems are standardized across the industry? That's where regulations come into play. International aviation governing bodies like the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, set strict regulations on the types, colors, locations, and intensities of lights required for different categories of aircraft. This standardization creates a universal lighting language that enhances safety and efficiency in air traffic management. It's like having a common set of rules that everyone follows, ensuring that no matter where you are in the world, the lights mean the same thing. As we look ahead, the landscape of aircraft lighting is continuously evolving. LED technology is paving the way for more energy-efficient and reliable lighting systems. Imagine adaptive lighting systems that can adjust their intensity and color based on ambient light conditions. This innovation could significantly reduce pilot workload and improve night vision, making flying even safer and more efficient. But there's more to aircraft lighting than just aesthetics and functionality. It's about safety, comfort, and the overall flying experience. Emergency lighting systems are a prime example of this. In the event of a power loss, these robust systems automatically activate, guiding passengers and crew to safety with illuminated exit signs and battery-backed beacons. It's a lifeline in critical situations, ensuring that everyone knows where to go when it matters most. And speaking of safety, let's not overlook advanced landing lighting systems. Larger commercial jets often feature sophisticated landing lights with adjustable beam patterns and selective targeting. These enhancements provide pilots with a clearer view of the runway and surrounding area, especially during challenging weather conditions. It's all about making sure that every landing is as smooth as possible. Finally, we must consider runway lighting. The precise positioning and configuration of runway lights, centerline lights, Touchdown zone lights and approach lights provide essential visual cues to pilots during landing. It's a collaborative effort between aircraft and ground systems, ensuring that every flight reaches its destination safely. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky and see an aircraft gliding through the darkness, remember that those lights are more than just twinkling dots. They are part of a complex choreography that ensures safe operations, enhances passenger comfort, and contributes to the marvel that is aviation. Aircraft lighting systems are a testament to human ingenuity, blending technology and artistry to create a safer, more efficient flying experience. Thank you for joining me on this illuminating journey through the world of aircraft lighting systems. Whether you're a seasoned pilot, an aerospace enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys the magic of flight, remember that every flicker and flash in the sky tells a story. So, keep your eyes on the skies and let your passion for aviation soar.